Hey guys, and it's me, Morgan, from the Country Bear Tours. Today we're at the Oak Manor, part of Port Orleans Riverside. There are two Port Orleans resorts, French Quarters and Riverside. French Quarters is themed around Mardi Gras, and you're going to see when you go there the alligator decor. Riverside, on the other hand, it's based around the water wheel and water towers. When you're going and looking for a pool, if you're ever on the walking trail, you should be able to see not too far back a white lattice structure exactly like this one. Right behind that should be a pool. There are two white lattice structures and also two pools. Now, as I come into this, I see there's a lot of seating. I also see there's not many people in the pool. Now, since it is not one of the main pools, it is going to be a little more dead, and not many people are going to be in the pool. This pool, as I said, has a lot of seating, and it is shaded. That I don't see in many pools. Shade is something I'd like to have a little bit more of, just to give you guys a look at how deep it is. Should be from 3 to 5 feet. That's what most of these pools range from. The water is clear, light blue, and the pool is a clean looking pool. Another look at the depth. Back in the back, you got the pool house, your towels. Another look at the depth. Yeah, 3. So these pools are going to range from 3 to 5 feet. And back here, you got your life jackets and your pool rules. Let me get you a little closer up on the pool rules. Guys, in these smaller pools, there are no lifeguards on duty. You gotta remember that. No lifeguards on duty. And apparently a lot of people like swallowing the pool water and stealing it. Over here, you got your elevated lift, your handicap lift, to enter the pool. And then you have the pool entrance, a secondary one. This pool is a clean looking pool. I can't say it enough. It looks great. Guys, if you haven't already, I can't say it enough. Make sure you give us a big like and subscribe to our channel, and keep posting. We are giving away an authentic Disney Stormtrooper hat. And let's give a last look at the pool, and I'll see you guys on the next one.